Okay, so here we are in a 2018 Mercedes GLC63S. I want you to hear this thing. These vehicles are so much fun. I love them. Can't say enough about them. I'm not a Mercedes-Benz loyalist, but holy cow, sometimes they just put things together well. This is an example of that. You know, this thing makes right around 500 horsepower. I think it's like 480, but it growls, it pops, it bangs, it makes all the coolest sounds. I'm a huge fan of it, and you should be too. If you love performance machines, you know, internal combustion, turbocharged vehicles, this thing is awesome. So, thumbs up to Mercedes-Benz for building something wicked.